After months of waiting, OpenAI has finally launched the GPT-5 model. And the great thing about this is this model is available for the free users also. So the existing GPT-4 and 4.0 models will be replaced by the GPT-5 model, and this model is probably the world's best model in terms of writing as well as coding. Let's see more about this particular model now. So if you go into their official release for GPT-5, as you can see here, GPT-5 is available to all the users, with plus subscribers getting more usage. As usual, they will be having a limit for the free users for GPT-5 usage. Once they have done extinguishing the GPT-5 usage, they will be switched to GPT-5 mini model, and the pro users will also be getting to access the GPT-5 Pro. And GPT-5 not only has Pro model, it also has a mini and it also has a nano model. And if you ask me if this is a reasoning model, GPT-5 can do both. It can be a quick response model without thinking, and it can also perform deep thinking. In the demo video, they said if you're going to ask a question which doesn't involve much thinking, GPT-5 will directly respond without thinking. Or if the model feels this particular prompt requires thought, it will think for a while and generate data. Or in case if this question specifically requires thinking, you must specify that in the prompt. And next, moving on to coding, I was mind blown by the demos that they showed in the video. Because till now, by using the free ChatGPT's 4.0 model, we can generate small components, for example like a small one-screened game, or we can generate a simple landing page or a login component. But we can't generate an entire web app by using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. But GPT-5 completely broke that. We can literally generate an entire application like this with just a single prompt. So imagine generating a web app that we generate in vibe coding editors like Lovable, Cursor with ChatGPT's 5 model. So for example, here we are having a game, rolling ball mini game. We can literally do this with sound. Everything is done by it automatically. Pixel art, we are having this screen, typing game, drum simulator, Lofi visualizer, can be literally done for free inside ChatGPT. That's how good it is. And another major improvisation that they have done was in creative expression and writing. So basically what Sam Altman said was GPT-3 was like a high school student's response, and GPT-4 was more like a college student's response, but GPT-5 response will be like a professional or a PhD level. And coming to the much important evaluations, this is the chart. As usual, GPT-5 is going to top everything because it's the best model. And this is the AIME math competition, and GPT-5 Pro has done with 100% accuracy, and GPT-5 has done 71% without thinking, and with thinking it has gone to 99%. And here is where the major difference is. As you can see, GPT-5 is almost 2 times better than the OpenAI O3 model, and GPT-5 Pro is an absolute beast, even better than the GPT-5 model. And same results in the PhD level science questions also. GPT-5 Pro tops, and GPT-5 is quite better than OpenAI O3. And I guess we are heading to a point where there is going to be this one best model, and the models can't be further improvised. There isn't going to be much more of an accuracy improvement because we have already got the best model out there. I don't know, maybe in a couple of years that could happen. And here we are having in the humanities last exam, GPT-5 Pro 42% accuracy and OpenAI O3 24%. So almost it has gone 2x over there, and GPT-5 has also got 35%. That shows you how much they have improvised in the model. And if you want a much more better comparison between GPT-5, GPT-5 mini and GPT-5 nano, if you have got it over here. So this compares these 3 models with GPT 4.1 along with O3 and O4 mini. And here GPT-5 mini comes on par with OpenAI O3 model. So I would say GPT-5 is the best and GPT-5 mini is the second best model out there. And GPT-5 nano comes par below OpenAI O3 and O4 mini. And another great thing that they said was they have reduced the hallucinations by a greater extent. As you can see, the hallucination rate For GPT-5 models, it's almost like 1 and 2%. But just see at OpenAI O3 and O4, it's at 3, 8, 38, 23, and just look at the difference over here. 3% and it's 23%, 6% and 1%. So that's how better they have fine-tuned and optimized this model. And another crazy thing is the pricing. They have made it so cheap, to be honest. GPT-5 is around 1.25 input and $10 per million tokens, and GPT-5 mini is priced at 0.25 input and $2 per output. And GPT-5 nano pricing is the craziest one. It's 0.05 per million and 0.40 per million output. I probably think this is like the one of the lowest pricing I've ever seen for a model. That's dead cheap over here. That's the video, guys. Do let me know in the comments how you feel about it and how excited you are. Check the playlist, done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.